moisture's gotten in there and it just settles on that. I don't know if that's common or not, but I don't like it.
We don't run roller there.
That would be lucky.
Well, no, I mean, not so much that you flip, but you know, I mean, you do handstands out there, you do all kinds of stuff, and you don't know. There's times I swear to God I flipped and then come right back upright. You know,
Hey, I'm still here.
Yeah.
Chasing the War Eagle?
Excuse me?
You think everyone's chasing the War Eagle?
Yeah, that's the way I see it, but then...
Ron, what do you think?
Since I'm working on it, you're damn right.
So they tell me what to do, I do it. So.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
We need driving tips from the legend, so when you get situated, yeah.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
Did you hear the name we're putting on here?
No.
Instead of Nasty News or the Hobbit, the Nasty Hobbit. Tony's idea. Or he was going to have Suck My Dakuchi.
It might not fly.
Sure be great hearing that being announced, though.
Yeah, well, you sure had this shined up, because it's been sitting.
I think Chuck did.
Oh, did he?
No, it was really dusty.
Hey, when I went over there,
Look at these buoys right here. This is the only danger thing you got going on right now is those outside two poles. You see them?
Right, and we shouldn't get that far anyway.
Well, you guys, once you get out there, have all got to meet within yourselves and go. If you end up with 6 boats, whoever's in lane 5 and 6 has to understand what's going on. But I, at no chance, want to get excited and run these poles down. Now, here's what I am doing, because until we get... What's that?
can we go out?
You can go outside. Yeah, so that's and that's what's really cool down. And of course, Tony does both ends of the stick here. Most drag boat guys know when they're at it, we're in a pole, it's going to destroy your stuff first of all, real bad. But there's a point you abort, turn the other way.
Right.
You know what I mean? For a drag boat guy, when all of a sudden he's charging a pole, when the drag boat guy's charging a pole, there's a point where it's like going, okay, I'm going to go off. First save it, I don't want to go off course. Now let's not tear up the boat, and they go random, you know. So. But all the buoy stuff's lined up. So what's really cool about the outside buoys, I would think that would be somewhere around lane 5. Maybe, you know, that's got to be a questionable whether you guys would make that lane 5 or 6.
After the first tee, we can all talk.
Yeah, right.
Say, hey,
so
it was too tight, or
right.
And so let's say that lane 5 and 6, like.
right on. Where are we? Bullshit me. A little bit on the cap. On the cap? I'll tell you the truth. To be honest with you.
Tanner, so mate, how you gonna do this weekend?
Today I'm in a cracker box. My boat didn't show up from up north of Chico, you know, broadcasting boat. So I guess I had to go and be a California girl today.
Badass.
Yeah, you had a good time?
Badass. I'm going to go on record and say that Jim Bandelin hosed me. Cheesed me, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah,
Whatever.
careful what words you use.
What's that?
Careful which words you use.
He modified, schooled me on it, all right? I'm looking over there. I'm like, okay, I need to come out of this turn. I need to get with him. All of a sudden, boom! My God, I'm not going to catch him.
You learned the hard way that you got to keep your speed up around the turn before they get the flags. Because you were left kind of in the back. What's that?
You need a flag man that waits till they're lined up.
Well, no one's going to wait for him to line up. You know, you just
watch yourself, Jim. Coming out.
Go ahead.
But you had a good time? That was fun?
Oh, dude. That was so badass.
Yeah.
They're following around like chickens.
You were hopping right.
I was? When?
I can say that there's no one
When? No.
Well,
Are you guys leaving?
So I told my John last night to take this home. He said, you